How to understand wave speed for the GED Science test. Are you curious about how waves travel and what wave speed really means? Understanding wave speed is essential for the General Educational Development Science test, especially in the physical science section. Let's break it down in a simple way. Wave speed is the speed at which a wave travels through a medium, like air, water, or solid materials. It tells us how quickly the energy carried by the wave moves from one place to another. To grasp wave speed, you need to know two other important properties: frequency and wavelength. First, let's define these terms. Wavelength is the distance between two similar points on a wave, like from one peak to the next peak. Frequency is how many waves pass a specific point in 1 second, measured in hertz. Wave speed is usually measured in meters per second. The key formula to calculate wave speed is straightforward. Wave speed equals frequency multiplied by wavelength. If you know how many waves pass in a second and how long each wave is, you can find the wave speed by multiplying these two numbers. For instance, sound waves in air at room temperature travel at about 343 meters per second. If a sound wave has a frequency of 343 hertz and a wavelength of 1 meter, multiplying these gives you a wave speed of 343 meters per second. It is also important to know that different types of waves travel at different speeds depending on the medium. Sound waves are mechanical waves that requiring a medium like air or water to travel. Their speed varies based on the properties of that medium. On the other hand, electromagnetic waves, such as light, can travel through a vacuum and have a constant speed of about 300 million meters per second. Additionally, factors such as tension and mass can influence wave speed in strings or cords. Generally, higher tension increases wave speed because the wave moves faster when the string is tighter. For the General Educational Development Science test, focus on these key points. Know the formula for wave speed, understand what frequency and wavelength mean, and recognize that wave speed varies with the type of wave and the medium it travels through. Being able to apply this knowledge will help you solve problems related to wave speed, frequency, or wavelength effectively. This understanding will prepare you to answer questions about waves and sound with confidence on the test.